To make foundation single crochets, you begin with a slip knot on your hook. Then you chain 1, go into this chain and pick up a loop, chain 1, then yarn over and pull through 2. This is the first stitch, and we will continue like this. Put the hook through the base behind these 2 loops here, pick up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, through the base, pick up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Pick up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. This is an alternative to making chains and then coming back with a row of single crochet stitches, and you will be working into these top stitches here. And it's great because it's elastic as opposed to the classic chains with single crochet stitches.